Yo, morning, welcome to the GHC Weekly. So this is episode 16, I believe, and this is the last day before Christmas. So, it's going to be busy, really busy one. So today I'm literally just on the way to Ford because there's a few little teething problems with the new van, which we're sitting in right now. And then on the way back, we're going to drop in to our massive big build project because it is the last day before Crimbo, and fingers crossed, we've got it all sorted. Right, roll the intro. Okay, so I've just dropped off the van at Payne's. So it's just got a load of software issues. That's basically the gist of it, is because these vans are so new that they end up with a load of software problems and they keep working their way through it. And it is what it is. But on a different note, what they have given me just to ride around, because obviously we've used Payne's for absolutely years, and I mean talking years and years and years and years, and we've bought loads and loads of vans from them, and the service has been absolutely bang on. So I've just dropped in to speak to the salesman, and he says, oh, go out on the all electric. So here we are. It is the all new e-Transit Custom, and wow, that drives completely different, and I mean different. So it's essentially the same vehicle as mine. So I've gone for, obviously mine's a sport van, isn't it? But it drives different, that's for sure. So this is the first all electric van that I've actually driven. And I'll be honest with you, it's quite weird, but ridiculously quick. So Alex, if you're watching this, I apologise, but it's rapid. So we've now thought, do you know what, as we're in the area, we'll pop down and come and see Sean. Now this site, I've not seen it at all. Not even been here, not had a single conversation with a client or nothing. Let's go and see what they've been up to. We must be at the right place because there is a GHC wagon here. And a load of rubble and building supplies. Hello, mate. And here he is. I'm Shawnee.
Very sceptical when you was going to get a van.
Yes, I know. Well, they sorted me out, they did me a solid. Right, hold on. So, this is the extension that I haven't seen. This is the first time. What are you doing?
Just a bit of brickwork.
Bit of cheeky brick. I know, nothing too crazy. So, what is it, Sean? Is it kitchen extension, is it? Or
Right, so this is a kitchen dining extension with a utility. If you follow me around here,
lucky feet.
yeah, you be careful.
No.
This is going to be where the bifold doors go, so all this is going to be taken out. Put the steels in there the other day, temporary filled it so there's no draft and stuff. These are coming out, so yeah, this corner is completely coming out, and then we've got basically down here there's going to be a cut, and all that's gone as well, and then another steel taking the house. So yeah, and that steel is lying around there on the floor ready for Mike to give us a hand. Maybe one day.
One day, maybe. I wasn't expecting to see this site, in fairness. I didn't think I'd see it at all.
No?
No.
Well, it's not a surprise visit, is it?
It is a surprise visit before Crimbo.
Yeah, we've got a little bit of detailed brickwork on here. So what we've got is some rise and fall brackets to sit on there, which are coming.
Yes, I have ordered them.
Anytime?
Anytime. They are imminent.
Yeah, got a little bit of a corbelling detail on there, which is going to match roughly that.
Explain what corbelling is for heathens like me.
It's basically just brickwork that steps out a little bit
Bit of feature.
Yeah, just a bit of a feature. There's nothing too much detail on it. It's just two-step, and then it's just basically the roof finishes down onto it. So rise and fall, you don't need any fascia or soffit or anything like that. So that is basically your fascia. Okay. So it looks quite nice.
Nice. And that's a block and beam floor, is it?
Block and beam floor. Yeah, so we didn't do any of the footings on this.
Yes, nice, isn't it?
No drainage, no footings. It's very unusual.
Yeah, we normally...
Customer's done as a solid day.
Yeah,
he's basically done most of it himself, so he's a quite handy customer.
So I think you were saying that he is a electrician.
He's an electrician, so you're not even on this job either.
Yeah, you see?
So yeah, he's doing all that himself.
Very offended.
We're going to have a stud wall across here. So this is going to be your utility. We've got a door here into the dining area. Obviously, door there, kind of your back door, ready into your thing.
And cups of tea. I've noticed. How's the tea situation on this job?
You know what? We've been offered baking batches. We've had pigs in blanket.
What?
Oh yeah, we've had everything here.
You are joking.
No, I'm not joking. I wasn't going to tell you because if you spin that camera and look at the face on that.
Not happy?
No.
That's ridiculous.
Solid customer.
So, if you are a new customer, and take note, right? How's he getting treated better than me? Come on.
I'm clearly nicer.
I
I've picked my customers really well.
Clearly. So step up your game. All right, step up your game. So that's good.
Yeah,
nice.
Wall plater on ready for Stevie. I don't want to be doing too much of the block work because he'll end up just knocking it off to get his timbers through.
Louis up there doing his best brickwork ever.
And then, don't know if you've seen it, but a nice stone sill out the front. Nice little detail on that.
No,
but that's pretty much it, really.
Nice. This is last day, innit? As I said on the GHC Weekly, last day today before Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
I know. I'm Scrooge over here. Look at him.
I love Christmas. I love Christmas just because literally, this is the time my elbows, my shoulders just get to relax for a little bit. Well, when I say, I usually have that, but I've got obviously a project at home, so I'll be just working straight through.
Yeah, so.
But in my own time.
Those elbows and shoulders will not be getting relaxed.
No.
You crack on, my boy.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Nice one. So I have now come over to the big build and thought I'll take you up to the loft. So obviously we've got Steve and Jack are here. So we'll come up into the loft and here we go. So we've now emptied it, so I apologise for the echoes. So this is actually going to be your dressing room as we come in, which is a really nice space, and we're going to have a desk across here. So obviously this is the last day before Christmas, so clients painted all the wall up so we could get the radiators on. We've got storage down that end, so you've got a door there and then the door over there. So there's storage all the way along. There's also a nice little storage bit there. Not masses, obviously, but this is the master bedroom. So we're now going to lead out onto a Juliet balcony. Now the scaffolding's all up because the whole house is being rendered. So there's going to be a Juliet balcony out there. And then we've also completed and signed off now the ensuite. So the ensuite is all completed, which is nice. So just in time for Christmas for them to get in. And I think the carpets are actually being fitted today, which will be a nice little touch. So yeah, I think the carpets are all being done. It's been a bit of a mammoth job, this one. Obviously we've got a nice, tall staircase here. So we're going to put a fancy light up here once it's all been ordered and completed. Obviously after Christmas, we've got probably end of the day and a half-ish left to complete on the stuff that we've sorted. But yeah, it's been an absolute massive job, in fairness. So we've also done, oh, here he is, so Jack is in here. So we've had Jack doing a bit of filler work, haven't you, and sanding down, so that room's all done. Completely rewired everything, but obviously because it's a loft conversion, all the door linings have all had to be replaced for fire door linings, because Steve's then put all the fire doors on because we need to, so essentially in a loft conversion, you need to have a complete sealed escape route all the way down. So obviously all the fire doors need to be on. We've got full hardwired smoke alarms. So I've completely rewired this whole house. That's all been done. We've got LED smart lighting pretty much throughout the entire house. Again, when I come back, I've got to commission all those properly, sort all those out, because then they can completely change the mood of the whole house, which will be really cool. So another part of the job is we obviously did this amazing kitchen extension that we did quite a while ago now, and obviously it's nice for us to start getting all of our stuff out with a big, amazing island feature. Wicked bifolds, but like I say, we're just last day before Christmas, and then it'll be landscaping and all the rest of it taken care of. In here, Steve is just done a core drill because the tumble dryer speak of the devil, there he is. So the tumble dryer is then going to sit into that area, and then that worktop can just be put on and can be removed when needed. So I just thought I'd quickly show you around the back of the site. So some of the rendering's been done. So the back is all rendered now, ready for me to put some outside lights on, some decorative lights, as we can see. Obviously not the outside tap of dreams, so we've got to change that and sort the waste and stuff. So there's a few little bits and bobs to sort out, but as you can see from up the top, so Juliet balcony, all the windows have all been replaced. So because, like I said, the renders are all going to be coming in to do it all, but it's basically this is going to be all around the entire house. Now, this colour is a bit more yellow than what the client wanted, but apparently as it dries, it will go to the white. Well, you can see it here, down here, it's a different shade to up here, but I think we can all agree it's one spectacular house. And that's pretty much it for the GHC Weekly. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and from me and the entire GHC team, hope you have a fantastic Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year.